Hello folks, welcome to the channel. If you're not able to connect to a network, then watch this video to find the solution. The first thing I can do is forget and reconnect again to the Wi-Fi network. I'll do that by right clicking on the start button, going to settings, and then I will click on network and internet tab, click on the Wi-Fi tab, and then click on manage known networks. And then I will just simply press on forget, and then I will again reconnect. I can do that by going here also, clicking on the arrow button, and then I will connect. The second thing I can do is to figure out whether there's an issue with my device or not, and to do that I will use another device. If you have another device like a mobile phone or another laptop or another system, then you can use it to connect to the same network. If it does, that means there's a problem with your PC. If it does not, that means there's a problem with your network. And to resolve the problem with the network, we can do one thing is we can press the reset button on your router. So there's a reset button, keep it pressed for 10 seconds and then leave it, and then switch off the power to the router, and after 10 seconds switch it on, and that should resolve the issue. If that doesn't resolve the issue, then it's a problem with your software in the system. So we need to run the Windows update. We'll right click on the start button, go to settings, click on Windows update, and then click on check for updates. At the same time, we will click on advanced options, optional updates, and we will update any driver software that is visible in this video. Then another thing we can do is we can run the network troubleshooter. So we'll right click on the start button, go to settings, and we'll click on system, scroll down for troubleshoot, other troubleshooters, and then click on the run network and internet troubleshooter, and this should mostly solve the issue. If this also doesn't work, then the last option left is to reset the network. So we will right click on the start button, click on settings, and we'll click on network and internet, and then we'll click on advanced network settings, and here we will look to reset the network, and this is network reset. Click on reset now and click on the button and restart your computer, and your network should start showing. If this video helped you, then please subscribe to the channel. Enjoy your day.